Hi, this is Yorumalai. Today topic the design of machine element topic direct stress and bending stress and torsional stress equation discuss about introduction or definition. Today going to problems. First of all, I remember this topic. The direct stress nothing but your the stress. Stress means load by area. When a load is applied, the members offer resistance to the load. The resistance offered per unit area. That means the stress equal to resistance offered divided area. Different type of stress depending upon the load applied. The following section are explained this. The direct stress is tensile or compressor. You take the one bar, consider the bar or tensile or compression, the opposite direction. That means tensile. Same direction, this compression stress. Okay. Another one bending stress. Bending stress is one side is fixed or another side the coral end is load applied. The consider the bar fixed one end carrying load P, at the other end is a section of x distance from the fixed end. The bending momentum m is equal to P into L. That means the P into L, load into distance. This momentum induced bending stress in the cross section. The stress distribution is shown above the below the neutral axis. The stress of the different nature. That's mean what do you mean? The tensile or compressive stresses. This bending stress is sigma b is equal to mb bending momentum divided Z. Z means nothing but Z is the section of models of cross section. Since the Z is equal to formulas I by Y. I is inertia momentum. Y is some distance. That means the distance means Y is equal to D by 2. Okay. I is momentum of inertia about the neutral axis. Some tabulation. The moment of inertia, some tabulation, the common section, circular or rectangular or square or all of circular. The I is moment of inertia, Y is a distance between the neutral axis. Z is a section of models. Most of these problems, circular or rectangular formula is taken. Okay. Torsion stress. Torsion stress is inclined angle or twisting momentum or due to the shear stress are developed in the shaft. The shaft get twisted by the angle of theta. Theta base பண்ணி நம்ம twist பண்ணுறோம். The shear stress is formula. Shear stress equal to mt into r1. R1 divided J. Mt applied torque. J is polar momentum of inertia. R1 is any radiation of the cross section of the shaft. The maximum value, maximum shear stress, the Mt into R divided J. Okay, radius of shaft. Polar momentum of circular cross section, this formula J is equal to pi d power 4 divided 32. The substituting this 2 we have maximum shear stress equal to Mt d divided 2 into 32 divided by d power 4. இவ்வாறு அடிச்சிங்கன்னா ஃபைனலில் உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குன்னா 16 mt divided by d power 3. This formula getting final solution formula. Okay, next go for problem. First problem, the piston of reciprocating compressor has a diameter of 60 mm. The maximum pressure on the piston fall 1.25 meganewton per meter cube, assuming 12.5 bar. Assuming the gadget pin passing through the small end of the connecting rod can be safely loaded in shear up to 10 meganewton per meter square. That means shear stress inclined load the 10 meganewton per meter square. Calculate the minimum diameter of the gadget pin. First you write the given data. The diameter of the piston capital D is equal to 60 mm. Okay. Pressure is equal to already given 1.25 meganewton per meter cube. Your mega means 10 power 6. Okay. அப்போ நியூட்டன் மீட்டராக மாற்றுறதுக்கு 10^6 அடிச்சிங்கன்னா 1.25 நியூட்டன் per meter square. You are finally for conclusion. The shear stress equal to 10 meganewton per meter square. அப்போ 10 Newton per meter square. Okay. To find diameter of the gadget pin small d. Okay. The solution, the force of the piston piece equal to pressure into piston area. That's mean stress equal to load by area. You are find the pressure. Okay. இப்போ P is equal to P into A. ஏரியா மீன்ஸ் நீ லோட் கொடுக்குறேன்னா அதில் எவ்வளோ டிஃபர்மேஷன் ஆகிருக்கு, எவ்வளோ ஏரியாவை ஆக்குபை பண்ணியிருக்கு, அதை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ ஏரியா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு π/4 into d⁴. You substituting this value, finally your pressure, force and the piston value 3560.75 Newton. The gadget pin will be double shear. Double shear means you are the gadget pin or the piston. Your two side is for load is acted. About two areas is about double shear you are find out. That is as two area to resist the force P. Formula, double shear formula, P is equal to shear stress into 2 into A. Finally you are the force on the piston value already here 3560.75 is equal to shear stress, that means shear stress already given 10 into 2 into area π/4 into d square. You finally you diameter you find out. Area is equal to π/4 into d square. You substituting this value, finally you get in the result diameter of the gadget pin value 15.06 mm. Okay. Another one problem. The tuning of mixing machine have the effect length of 30 cm and the weight which come and each tuning is 12,500 Newton. What should be the diameter of the tuning if the fiber stress is not to exceed 35 Newton per mm square? First you write the given data P. Okay. P means the tuning, the weight of tuning 12,500 Newton, length 30 cm. நீங்கள் ஒரே யூனிட்டாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. ஏன்னா இங்கே கொடுத்துற நியூட்டன் எம்எம்மில் மோஸ்ட்லி யூஸ் பண்ணணும், சென்டிமீட்டர் வந்து எம்எம்மில் மாற்றிக்கிங்க. ஓகேவா? இன்ட்டு 100 பண்ணிங்கன்னா 300 mm வந்துடும். அப்போ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸு, இந்த மேக்ஸிமம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஹவு டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட்னா அவங்க முன்னாடி சொல்லிட்டாங்க எவ்வளோ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் மேக்ஸிமம் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா 35 Newton per mm square தான் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அதை தாண்டி போகக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? டு ஃபைண்ட் diameter of the tuning, diameter you have find out. First you assuming the ones that this problem bending momentum formula. Okay, bending stresses, one side is fixed, another side is load is length total 30 cm. Bending momentum due to the already you know B is equal to mb is equal to P into L, load into length. Okay, bending momentum, the section of this type of circular tuning means circular section of models Z is equal to by d cube divided 32. Z is equal to I by Y. Okay. Allowable fiber stress mb divided Z is equal to 35. M divided I is equal to sigma divided Y. Y is equal to d by 2. Z is equal to mb divided 35. You finally you get the pi d cube is a section of modulus formula by d3 divided 32 is equal to substituting the values. Finally you get in the diameter value 103 mm, the diameter of the tuning result value. Okay, thank you.